Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Stable Diffusion correctly. So, first of all, go ahead and open your PC and open any kind of browsers. Then, go ahead and open this website which is stability.ai. From here, you can go ahead and go to the bottom and click on join here. Now, of course, as you can see, that's my account. This is my collection. This is everything. For you, they will ask you to connect your account first, then you will see this page. So just connect, and then you can start making dreams as they tell them, or just like they call them, dreams. So now, for example, how you can use it, just go to dream over here, and here you can choose the thing that you want. For example, a girl, like eating spaghetti in the pool, and here I can add, for example, make it something around this, around that. Save the scale, adjust how much the image will be like your prompt. Higher values keep your image closer to your prompt. So let's make it like that. Here I want like 3 images, and here I want it to be like 5. So here click on dream, and automatic choose for me Stable Diffusion version 1.5. So now it will take it some time until it reaches 100%, and just like so, they will give you like images about the thing that you have written for them and they dream for. So let's give it some time now, and here it is, a girl eating spaghetti in the pool. So yeah guys, now if you want to see the pictures you can just go here. If you want to see a prompt guide you can check it over here. If you want to see the social stuff you can get them over here, and so go on. So yeah guys, that was it. That's how you can actually use Stable Diffusion. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.